Ready to ignite your legs and core without leaving your chair? Join me for a chair yoga practice designed to pack a punch as we tone our legs and tighten our abs, all while keeping it fun and accessible. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's crank up the burn as we sculpt our muscles together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, waking up the energy of your body. Sitting tall, inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, lower your arms, adding a knee raise. Inhale, arms reach overhead. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, keeping your navel back towards your spine, lightly lifting through your lower belly. Feeling this action awaken your center. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, adding a leg extension. Inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, lower your arms, extending through one leg. Continue flowing from right to left, moving at your own pace, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps, while increasing circulation through your upper body. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, raise your arms out to your sides, shoulder height, palms facing upwards. Begin to gently glide from right to left, gradually increasing your range of motion, keeping the weight even in your hips, allowing this movement to originate from your waist, working through your obliques. Release and return to center. Moving into a knee tuck variation, place your hands to the seat of your chair behind you. Keep your spine straight and your core engaged as you extend both legs forward. Lean back at a slight angle, using your core to stabilize. On your exhale, draw one knee in towards your chest. Inhale, re-lengthen. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping your core engaged and your navel back towards your spine. Pause with both legs extended. Maintain the position of your spine with your core engaged. Alternate lifting from right to left, keeping your legs straight and strong. Moving at your own pace, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, adding a bicycle movement. Draw both knees in towards your chest. Begin to pedal your legs as you keep one knee in towards your chest and extend through the opposite leg, keeping both legs elevated and your navel back towards your spine, moving slow and controlled, working through your abdominal muscles while toning and strengthening through your hamstrings and quadriceps. Release and return to center. Moving into a seated knee raise march, raise your hands out in front of your chest to hover. Alternate lifting from right to left, working to lift your knees to touch your hands if possible. Continue moving at your own pace, gradually increasing your range of motion, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, tap your hands together under each leg. Optional to add a leg extension as you continue sitting tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly, feeling this action awaken your center, stretching through your hamstrings and calf muscles. Stay connected to your breath as you release and return to center. Extend both your legs forward, pressing down through your feet. Cross your arms out in front of your chest, keeping your core strong and your navel back towards your spine, cinching in all the way around your waist. On your inhale, lean back slightly, using your core to keep your spine straight, and on your exhale, use your abs to return to upright. Continue with this movement, using your core to stabilize, resting when you need to. Release and return to center. Moving into a lateral stretch variation, place your left hand to the chair for support. Reach your right arm up and overhead and lower. Continue flowing with this movement, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, feeling a gentle stretch through your right side body. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Place your right hand to the chair for support. Reach your left arm up and overhead and lower. Continue flowing with this movement, breathing wide into your left side body. Release and return to center. Moving into a reverse plank position variation, place your hands to the seat of your chair behind you and lift your heart, pressing your shoulder blades into your back torso, supporting the lift of your chest for a mild back bend, opening through your front body. Continue here or extend both your legs forward, rooting down through your feet, lengthening through your spine and arms, drawing your shoulders down away from your ears, feeling your neck long. Slowly release and step your feet back to center, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation with your hands to the seat of your chair. Inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath. With each inhale, place your hands to the seat of your chair behind you and lift your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, allowing this movement to create more space and ease through your arms, neck, shoulders, chest, spine, and abdomen. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, as it'll help YouTube remind you to stay on your fitness journey. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.